guys, welcome to crazy funny and scientific video. Today we are going to unbox the Mi micro USB branded cable. Here's the box guys. Mi, 1 minute. Mi micro USB branded cable. Okay, and it is cost is around rupees 299. In Amazon you can get less. And this is and very branded cable. Let's unbox it. And here is the wire guys. Wow, the wire is so high quality guys. Wow, wait, let me zoom in. And here is the cable guys. And it is very strong. That's it guys. And it's very fast charging, and it is a fast data transfer up to a fast charging 1 mm long. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.